So it almost happened. It could have happened. It would have happened. It didn't happen. It almost happened. Pakistan almost took the fourth ODI of the JS Bank World Cup in a very cloud-seeded Dubai. Glenn Maxwell, the most selfless player in the man of the match today. How are you doing? Sorry about that. Well done. What's up? That was close. That got close. Two close moments. Your century, and then of course this.
Yeah, butchered that. Got run out for the third time in a row. But, yeah, it was a great game of cricket. We just knew if we hung in there and could potentially get a new batter in, it might be tough for them to start. We were able to keep control of the run rate for the last few weeks.
Well, I don't know if you butchered that. A lot of analysts are saying you were quite selfless today.
I was trying to
being hard on yourself there.
No, I was trying to clear the rope as much as I could at the back end there, and I had a little bit of luck at certain times, but you need that, I suppose, on the wicket that was a little bit slow, and something that we were certainly not used to, and for us to get that total was.
So Pakistan's having a problem in batting, clearly, considering you've played in similar conditions today. Any advice for Pakistani batsmen out in the middle?
They had two blokes who got 100, so I wouldn't say their weakness is necessarily.
Well, in the larger scheme of things.
I think they played pretty well. They've had a few century makers. They've had guys chip in at different times. It's just we've been able to apply pressure at the key times. So when we do get a wicket, we're able to apply pressure on that incoming batsman.
Right. And what do you think of the young lad today, the debutant, Abid Ali?
Batted beautifully. Batted really well at the start. Well, I think once he got to his 100, we thought we were a chance. He started to play a few more expensive shots. I mean, we felt like we were a chance to get him out, and obviously he got out at a time where it just got us beaten down.
And any butterflies in the end?
No, it was pretty calm at the end. Once we got it above 10 and over, I knew it was going to be tough.
Actually, well done. Well done. Good to see you. Good to see you. All right. Well, they were saying that the Australians had partied hard, but clearly not. Or even on a Friday evening in Dubai, which is a weekend here, they killed it. It got close. It got very, very close. But a couple of crucial moments there. I'm going to ask the Pakistani stand-in skipper in just a second about Skip. Maudasim, how are you? Good to see you. What's happening?
Nothing, just...
Man, that got close.
Yeah, I think...
close but no cigars. Yeah, well, what went wrong?
I think बहुत ज़बरदस्त खेले लड़के, लेकिन जब वो फिनिशिंग का टाइम होता है और जब 7-8 ओवर में 48-49 रन चाहिए तो उस वक्त
कहते हैं कि you should have gone in 7 को भेज दिया.
बिल्कुल मुझे ही जाना चाहिए था, लेकिन अब एक लड़का उसका डेब्यू हो रहा है, तो we wanted to see कि अंडर प्रेशर कैसे खेलते हैं.
अच्छा, you threw him on the deep end.
Yeah, but still like under pressure आप बड़े गेम में अगर वो मैच जिता देता तो like कितना एक्सपीरियंस था, लेकिन हो जाता है क्रिकेट.
मगर unfair नहीं है, you're in a position to win a match, मगर you try to go for.
हाँ, लेकिन he scored a lot of runs and he can play.
What do you think of Abid?
He's gone. So I played with him for like many years in my team. He was in my team, yeah. And the way he batted, it just I was watching a first class game because he batted like that.
I was watching your video in the morning today when you guys were presenting him his hat. How was that feeling, considering itna बेचारे ने मेहनत की?
I felt absolutely amazing because मेरे साथ खेला, उसने 17 years struggle की है और सुबह ही उसे पता लगा कि वो मैच खेल रहा है.
वाह.
और I think he was nervous, obviously बात है, butterflies होते हैं, लेकिन जिस तरह वो बारी किया ऐसा नहीं लग रहा था nervous.
अच्छा, what do you think? I have to ask you this here. What was up with Umar today? Umar ने क्या यकीन मारी?
देखिए, it's cricket. मैं ये कहता हूँ कि अगर आप इतनी क्रिकेट खेलो तो आपको थोड़ा सा होना चाहिए, लेकिन इट्स क्रिकेट फिर भी अंडर प्रेशर कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा हो जाता है.
That was not under pressure, man. That was wild. Come on,
लेकिन
you're being a diplomat.
नहीं, लेकिन मैं एज अ क्रिकेटर मैं भी शायद ये हरकत कर लूँ तो it happens. अगर वो उसे शॉट मारा और आउट हो गया तो.
अच्छा, is Shoaib bhai going to be better for the 5th or have you taken over?
No idea. उनको 2-3 दिन का रेस्ट दिया था, लेकिन अभी देखें, अभी जाके पता लगेगा कि शोएब भाई फिट है कि नहीं.
ये आपने बाल ये दुबई में कटवाए हैं, बड़े स्टाइलिश हैं.
बस जी, मैं जीत जाते तो फिर बताता. लेकिन कोई बात नहीं, ऑब्वियसली बात है, दुख तो होता है सबको. इतनी नेशन हमें सपोर्ट करती है और इस तरह का अगर मैच हम खेले तो दुख तो होता है.
Listen, we're expecting a lot from you boys in the World Cup.
नहीं, इंशाल्लाह, because
कैसा लग रहा है? How do you rate yourself as a unit right now?
We are top class unit. I think 6-7 लड़के भी नहीं खेल रहे और हम ऑस्ट्रेलिया.
अभी हमारी रैंकिंग क्या है overall?
I think we are at number 6. So top 6 teams हैं, you never know. Champions Trophy हम number 8 पे जीते थे, you never know.
You think with the 6th ranking we can do this?
100%. Otherwise, there's no point of thinking.
I'd like to hear that.
Thank you.
Imad, good to see you, man.
Thank you.
Good to see you. Power up, chin up. All right, the Pakistani stand-in captain, Imad Wasim. There's a couple of special. Hi. Okay. Well, a couple of stand-in guests as well. The Pakistani Consul General, sir, and the sponsors, of course, the JS Bank CIO. How are you guys? Kaise hain? Theek hain? Khairiyat se hain? What's happening? Why are you so down? You guys should now be used to this, huh?
No, it's a game. We fought well. At least जो last 3 matches थे उससे आज the performance was better. और it was an interesting game till the last over.
Does the Pakistani Foreign Office have a plan to improve Pakistan cricket team's performance on the ground?
We work on the foreign policy.
This is foreign policy.
The coaches are there to improve their cricket.
But isn't cricket a fantastic tool of foreign policy? And don't you think we should have more of it abroad?
Cricket diplomacy has always been used, or between India and Pakistan a lot for last many decades. So, and we would love to see international players coming back to Pakistan, play there. Pakistan में cricket आए because Pakistani people they follow cricket, as a religion. और हर घर में, हर गली में, हर मोहल्ले में आप देखें cricket है. और cricket is part of our life. और आपने पूछा कि हम अफसरदा क्यों हैं? Because it's a passion and we love cricket. So everyone wants to see Pakistan team winning.
Yeah, I'm glad. And you know what? Even though I must say, there was not a lot of interest in this series. I'm glad that JS Bank has gotten behind this initiative. Is that what you guys were thinking, to buck up national sentiment in cricket right before the World Cup?
Absolutely, and that's why we've been there. We were in the same spirit with the PSL and now with this series, and I think we're going to continue this for the next, I think, couple of series as well. So,
well, I hope so.
Yeah, and JS Bank has always been a big supporter of sports, culture, art, theatre in the country.
You guys are really up and coming, huh? You're getting really aggressive with your marketing. That's interesting.
We're taking it down.
Is that lovely blazer part of the new JS Bank marketing strategy?
Well, maybe, yeah.
All right, gentlemen. Surma Saab.
Right, take care. Thank you.
Your Excellency, thank you. All right, so that's a wrap. Again, let me give you a quick little tour. This is how you wrap up. The nets are going up, the boards are going off, the stands are empty. But the good thing is the weather is nice in Dubai. I'm sort of tired. I've been on the road now for what? 8? कितने दिन हो गए भाई? 7 दिन तुझे हो गए होंगे. मैं तो पहले दिन से आया हुआ हूँ. That's Anas Khan, by the way. We're doing another couple of projects here. We're shooting that. You're going to see that very soon, related to Dubai and the JS Bank circuit. However, all in all, Shoaib Akhtar made some waves today with his comments. I've got to go and really have a chat with Shoaib about how and why he said what he said. You should check it out yourself. I think that the Yucky of the Day award, they should have a Yucky award. Jaise Man of the Match award hota hai, aise Yucky award bhi hona chahiye. Would you agree? Yucky award? Okay, so Yucky award, aapko nahi denge. Really, for being Umar Akmal, I didn't agree with Imad's assessment कि वो हमने देखना चाह रहे थे कि वो नया डेब्यूटेंट है साथ है वो कैसे होता. Win is a win is a win. I don't think that throwing someone on the deep end and sacrificing a larger win and taking a risk with a debutant is the right thing to do, especially when there's a pressure situation and you're chasing. Pakistan, gets weak knees when they're chasing anyways. However, it's all over. Close but no cigars for Pakistan. I didn't meet my new friend Finchy today. I'm going to try to go hook up with him right now and see what the Aussies are up to. It's Friday night in Dubai. I'm going to go have some fun. Good night, and we'll see you on Sunday. Pakistan, Zindabad.